There is nothing worse than hearing a strange clicking or grinding noise coming from your rear wheel mid-ride. If your mountain bike's drivetrain feels sluggish, your hub might be reaching the end of its life. When you start shopping for a replacement, the options are endless. From bearing types to spoke counts, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. Today, let's look at the HASSNS Pro7 as a potential solution for your bike. The HASSNS Pro7 is a widely recognized hub in the mountain biking community. It is designed to be a reliable, noisy-style hub that fits a variety of speed configurations, from 7-speed up to 11-speed systems. Before you decide, you have to do your homework. Check your rim's spoke count. This model comes in 32 and 24 hole configurations. If you get this wrong, the hub won't lace up to your current rim. One reason this hub is a popular choice is its compatibility with different gear ranges. It is built to handle everything from 7-speed setups up to modern 11-speed cassettes, making it quite flexible for different bikes. The internal bearings are what keep your wheels spinning smoothly. The Pro7 uses a design that many riders find easy to maintain. Always consider your local trail conditions to decide if this bearing style fits your needs. With over 900 units in use, the feedback has been quite consistent regarding its performance. However, always verify your bike's axle dimensions first, as mountain bike standards can vary significantly between models. Overall, HASSNS Pro7 MTB Hub 32 could be worth checking if the details match your need. Review the listing carefully and compare before buying. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Pricing is currently around $20.89, which is a significant drop from its original price. It is definitely a competitive price point, but always check the final landing page for the most accurate current offer. My advice? Measure twice and order once. Check your spoke count, your axle type, and your gear setup. If the specs align with your frame, this could be a solid, reliable choice for your next repair. Don't just jump into a purchase. Take a moment to compare the variants and verify the compatibility with your specific bike model. Check the details online to ensure you get the exact fit you need.